Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end.
I swear accounting software pricing is the only place where one-time purchases feel like a unicorn sighting. You blink, rub your eyes, refresh the page and go, wait, that's not a subscription? Yes, today is one of those rare days, so let's talk pricing before the internet changes its mind. Moneyspire takes a refreshingly old-school approach to pricing. Instead of locking you into monthly payments forever, Moneyspire is sold as a one-time license. The current pricing for new users sits at around $60, often discounted from a higher list price, while upgrades for existing users usually come in cheaper, around $50. You pay once, download the software, and you're done. No ticking monthly meter, no surprise renewal emails, no sudden feature paywalls. That alone makes Moneyspire stand out in a world obsessed with subscriptions. AME software, by contrast, doesn't follow a single bundled price model at all. Instead, it operates on a modular, component-based pricing structure. Core accounting modules like general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable, payroll, and additional compliance tools such as 1099 reporting are purchased individually. Prices vary depending on the module, with some core components costing a few $100s each, and payroll or reporting add-ons costing extra. This approach means AME can be inexpensive for very focused needs, but more costly if you require a full accounting stack. We'll unpack that in depth in part 2. Now, shifting fully into Moneyspire itself, the feature set is designed around clarity, control, and offline reliability. Moneyspire is a desktop-based accounting solution that supports double entry accounting, income and expense tracking, bank and credit card accounts, budgeting, invoicing, bill tracking, and financial reporting. It supports multiple currencies, investment tracking, and customizable categories, making it suitable not only for small businesses, but also for advanced personal finance users. One of Moneyspire's strongest features is its flexibility in handling both business and personal finances within a single system. You can track business income, expenses, invoices, and customers, while also monitoring investments, loans, and personal budgets. The reporting tools are robust, offering profit and loss statements, balance sheets, cash flow reports, and category breakdowns that are easy to interpret without an accounting degree. Moneyspire also appeals strongly to users who value data ownership. Because it's installed locally, your financial data stays on your machine rather than being stored in the cloud by default. For privacy-conscious users or businesses operating in restricted environments, this is a major plus. There's no forced online connection, and performance doesn't depend on internet speed or server uptime. That said, Moneyspire is not without limitations. Because it's desktop-based, collaboration is limited compared to cloud platforms. There's no real-time multi-user access, and sharing data with accountants typically involves exporting files rather than working simultaneously. Automation is also lighter than modern cloud systems. Bank feeds may require manual imports, and transaction categorization relies more on user input than AI-driven rules. Moneyspire's pros are clear: one-time pricing, strong reporting, offline access, privacy control, and a clean, logical interface that doesn't overwhelm users. On the downside, it lacks deep automation, real-time collaboration, and the large app ecosystems found in cloud competitors. It's best suited for users who want stability, predictability, and ownership, rather than constant feature churn. Now let's flip the spotlight to AME Software, which takes a completely different philosophy from Moneyspire. Where Moneyspire aims to be a single, self-contained desktop solution, AME is built like a toolbox. You don't buy the entire garage, you buy exactly the tools you need. AME Software offers a wide range of accounting and payroll modules designed primarily for US small businesses. Core offerings include general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable, payroll with direct deposit, bank reconciliation, and detailed compliance tools such as 1099 vendor reporting, W-2 processing, and electronic filing services. Each module is sold separately, allowing businesses to build a system tailored to their operational needs. One of AME's biggest strengths is its focus on regulatory and payroll accuracy. Payroll modules support direct deposit, tax calculations, and reporting workflows that are especially useful for businesses with employees or contractors. Compliance-heavy features such as 1099 reporting and electronic filing services are clearly positioned as first-class tools rather than afterthoughts. This makes AME particularly appealing to businesses that prioritize payroll reliability over flashy dashboards. AME software is typically desktop-based, offering strong performance and data control similar to Moneyspire. It integrates traditional accounting workflows that experienced bookkeepers will find familiar, including structured ledgers, manual controls, and audit-friendly reporting. For businesses that prefer explicit control over automation, this can be a significant advantage. However, the modular pricing model cuts both ways. While it allows targeted spending, costs can add up quickly if you need multiple modules. Payroll, reporting, and add-ons are often priced separately, meaning a fully loaded AME setup can cost substantially more than it appears at first glance. There's also a steeper learning curve for users unfamiliar with traditional accounting software layouts. In terms of usability, AME is powerful but less modern. The interface prioritizes function over aesthetics, and users expecting sleek cloud-style design may find it dated. Automation is limited compared to newer platforms, and collaboration features are minimal, making it better suited for internal accounting teams rather than distributed or remote collaboration. Looking at user feedback, Moneyspire holds a solid presence on Trustpilot with a rating around 4 out of 5 from over 100 reviews. Users frequently praise its affordability, clarity, and independence from subscriptions. AME software, at the time of recording, does not have an established Trustpilot rating. A lack of public ratings doesn't necessarily reflect poor quality, but it does mean potential buyers should rely more heavily on demos, documentation, and direct evaluation before committing. So here's the real takeaway. If you want a clean, affordable, one-time purchase solution that balances business and personal finance with strong reporting and full data ownership, Moneyspire is a smart, low-stress choice. If your business revolves around payroll, compliance, and structured accounting workflows, and you're comfortable assembling your system piece by piece, AME software offers depth and precision that many modern tools overlook. And remember, the best accounting software isn't the one with the most features on paper, but the one you'll actually use consistently without dreading login day. Whether you value simplicity and ownership or depth and compliance control, choosing the right tool now can save you countless hours and costly mistakes down the road. Take a few minutes to explore both options properly, because future you will absolutely thank present you for it. Click the link below to explore both platforms, review the pricing details, and decide which approach fits how you actually run your finances. If this breakdown saved you money, confusion, or a future accounting headache, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next deep dive comparison.